Hey guys, this is Paul from Hi-Fi May. We have some friends installed the Linux Screen to BMW, and he want to use the OEM Bluetooth channel to play the music in the CarPlay menu. At the same time, he want to use the navigation, but some friends says the navigation don't have sound when he use the Bluetooth channel. So today I want to show you a video here. Now the first thing I want to show you is that my phone have connect to the OEM unit here. This is the connection for the OEM head unit. This one, okay? This one. In original menu, I chose Bluetooth channel. This is the audio channel, not by AUX. And at the same time, I connect the CarPlay. Here, this connection is to the CarPlay. This is the CarPlay. Now, I play a music. Okay, this one. You can hear this one, right? This is the music playing by the Bluetooth channel here. Okay? Here. It have the sound, right? Okay, now I want to use the navigation. Now I find an address in my phone here, and I want to navigation. But as you know, now in the office I cannot drive, right? So I chose another mode to make the navigation here. You can hear? You can see? Okay. So the navigation sound come out at the same time the music is playing. Okay? That's fine. It don't have problems. I want to show you a setting you need to do. System here. Use car's Bluetooth channel. Use car's Bluetooth channel. Turn to on. You must do this. Only this. It can work. If not, it will not work. Okay, thank you very much.